Hello, I'm Master123. Today I will be showing you another really cool trick and tutorial in the video.
If you're a magician and you want to learn awesome card tricks, start now by subscribing.
Alright, so for this trick, I will be using the Jack of Spades. And alright, so I need 2 piles of 15 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we can mix these out. Alright, so this is the spectators and this is mine. So first we'll have the spectator cut the cards anywhere on both sides. We'll have the spectator pick from the remaining cards here. So let's say they pick this card. So let's say they pick the Ace of Hearts, right? So we put the Ace of Hearts, have them put it anywhere here. So they say put it here. And then we'll put Jack here. Put this pile here. Put this pile here. And put this pile here. Now I'm just gonna deal the cards into 2 piles until Jack has narrowed down the search for the card. We're getting closer now, until we have 1 card left. And that card happens to be the chosen card. Alright, that was the trick. And if you follow those directions exactly, you will be able to do the trick as well. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like,